Hi guys, welcome to my channel and Microsoft Edge white screen in Windows 11. So how to fix, guys? Please open this PC or otherwise Windows Explorer. You can click to start and type File Explorer. Open it. Okay, this PC. Go to this PC. Then go to C drive. Then user. And which user are you using? If you confuse, so click to start and then you can see this is admin. Okay, go to admin, then app data. Same, if app data is not showing here, so click to three dot and then options, then view and show hidden files folder and receive, then apply and okay, check this. If you don't show, so app data will remove from there. If you want to see like this removed, this is hidden applications right away. Okay, show, apply, okay, and then come, then open it app data, then local, and then Microsoft. Find out the Microsoft, press M, Microsoft H, okay, then user data. After that, find out the first folder. This is default. Right click to delete it. Okay, okay, so it is not delete, so right click to task manager, and in this folders have your cache, that's why it's getting issue. So you can see list is Microsoft of its services is working or not. Sometime open, sometime what happen, your services working on in the service task manager, that's why it's haven't install, haven't delete this folder. You can see here open, so right click to end task. Okay, then close, then right click to delete it, so it will delete it. Okay, delete, then search the gpu g gpu cache also, so right click and this is also deleted, and then close it. Next method, disable hardware assignations. So open the Microsoft Edge and then click to three dot and then click setting, then click system performance, then hardware assignations, then just turn off. Okay, and then close it. One more thing, clear the Microsoft Edge, again open, click on three dot, then click history, then click on this icon, select all time, browsing history, download history, cookies and cache, sites of cache and image. After that, you can see this is your autofill data that's we remove, so this is need only for this, and then clear now. Okay, yeah, then close it, and then last and very important, restore your Windows corrupted file, which is Windows files, very important for the your operating system. Click to start and type cmd and right click to run as administrator, and then click to yes. After that, type sfc space slash scan now. So this is small command, but is very important for the operating system for Windows 11 and Windows 10 also. So it will start some, okay, so it is started the percentage, so it will complete the 100%, then we will need to restart your system and then check if white screen issue is again repeating. So again if it is again repeating, so you can comment me, I will create another video for this. Thank you. Then it is restart is compulsory, guys. Okay, it's complete 10.